So, guys, so in this video, we just really want to get the magic started. And so the first thing that you want to do is you want to go over to central.zapier.com, like central.zapier.com. Then you will land on this page here. And as you can see, like this is super straightforward. It will take you a couple of seconds to create your account. So if you have a Google account, then you can simply go ahead and continue with Google. If you have a Facebook account, you can create an account, a zapier.central or central.zapier.com account with your through Facebook. You can do it through Microsoft, or you can use your email. And yeah, these are your options. And yeah, it's super straightforward. Go ahead and create your account now.
Yeah, so like Max said, the important thing is where do you go, which is central dot. I say Zapier, Max says Zapier. It's, tomato, tomato, right? Same thing. But central.zapier.com, you pick your poison. Do you want it to be Facebook? Do you want it to be Google? Do you want it to be your email? It's an obvious setup. Just put in your information, continue, and it'll walk you through the process. Very, very simple. And then we're going to see you in the inside of the platform. One point I wanted to make though on this screen is that if you already have a Zapier account, it'll recognize that. But if you don't have a Zapier account, then just do the sign up here. Either way, just set it up and then you're going to be in there.